The best day, but I made one mistake, and I mean, it is what it is. So, coming into the day, I had bearish bias, honestly. So, we were coming down. We already had broke structure to the downside while still holding in this 4 hour. And that's how I found biases on the higher time frame. But looked at the daily, marked out my key levels, previous day high, previous day low. And from there, I just waited for market open, immediately manipulated down, and we kind of can't drop that much sauce in a recap, but we bottom ticked and we rejected off of it. And as we created this 5-minute inverse. So this also could be used as a liquidity sweep. Right here, a low getting pushed past and rejecting the other way. And we also had this 5-minute fair value gap right here that, oh shit, hold on, where's it at? No, it was on the 3-minute, I think. Yeah. So when this 3-minute got inversed, I checked ES. And, oh, shit. Excuse my language, Father Jesus. We inversed it as well, right here. So once that was inversed, I honestly traded the wrong pair. I knew it. I knew it was going to happen too, but I still did it anyways. I honestly thought NASDAQ was just going to rally up to this high right here and just take out everything and smash every single one of my TPs. But I was wrong, and it did it on ES, just like I said it would before entering the trade. Lesson learned, just how price action was moving. So what did I enter off of? 5-minute liquidity sweep. 3-minute IFVG, which was my confirmation. Now I need a continuation. What did we have? 3-minute fair value gap. Literally got barely touched right here. And then from there, we came up, inversed a 1-minute while having the opportunity to fill this 3-minute, and we did the same on ES. And from there, I entered longs. How I trade with multiple take profits. Yes, I mind trade. Since this is going up on my YouTube and my Instagram, I just started uploading on it. Go follow Brody Trades with 3 Z's. I mind trade on paper trading. I'm not allowed to have a funded account because I'm too young. That's just what I'm going to say. But first TP was right here. So small, 400. Second TP got edged. From there, I thought we were just going to fucking rally, but we rejected so hard off of this. And then we just randomly dumped, stopped me out completely, and then rallied TP at the end of New York AM session. But from there, I was like, okay, so what did I do wrong? I traded on the wrong pair because ES was the power index in this scenario. So I was looking for a cleaner setup. We got a 3-minute inverse to the upside while creating a 3-minute fair value gap. We fill this 3-minute. This is a continuation. We fill this 3-minute while inversing a 3-minute, and then we create a 1-minute bearish fair value gap while filling 3-minute, and we end up inversing it. So what was my entry? I entered right there because I knew price was that's just how price was moving. I entered in. I had 2 contracts because ES is always smaller. Buy stop. First TP got hit. Second TP got hit. This is also my live trade that I uploaded on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube if y'all want to go check that out. And then final TP was right here. First take profit hit, I was, debating on going break even, but I would have got stopped out because tip of advice for y'all that like to go break even, never, if you're entering a trade on a chop day, then my trade only started chopping after the fact that, I already entered. If you're gonna go break even on a chop day, you're fucking, retarded. Excuse my language, but that's just dumb. because it's so unpredictable on where price wants to go. So after I hit second TP, I moved my break even just a tad bit. It was at like 550, something like that. Yeah, it was at this low right here. And we almost did get stopped out because price is really unpredictable in choppy markets. We hit my TP, immediately came back down. And then we made like a mountain looking trend, and then we came up and smacked my final TP, and I was... How much was I on the day? I'm gonna get copyrighted again if I do that. 600 up for the day. One loss, one win. I won't complain. I know what I did wrong, but God kept me accountable of what I was doing in this trade. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, excuse my language for earlier, but you know, it just kind of slipped out. It wasn't bad today. Definitely looked a lot of volatility this week, like a lot for no news. We have news tomorrow, so I'm expecting either clean setups because today was chop, or chop again, and then Thursday and Friday will be good. But yeah, that's a wrap for today, boys. And peace out.